Can you use Canva AI Caption Generator? Well, the answer is yes. However, AI writing features may have some usage limits on free accounts and are more fully available on the Canva Pro. First, you want to open the Canva Pro application or Canva if you have it. After that, what you want to do is you want to simply go to this create section and create a social media post over here. You want to simply select one of the social media design over here, and you want to open the Magic Write option or another AI writing tool on the application. You want to simply tap on apps option over here, and if you have the feature available, you'll be able to see a Magic Writer option over here. After that, you'd be able to enter all of the details of your video, and by doing so you'd be able to ask Canva AI to generate a caption. By doing so, it will generate you a caption. You want to simply review the suggested captions and edit it if necessary before copying it or publishing it to your social media platforms. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.